Okay, so I have returned to Epic Adventure Outfitters. The motor has just arrived, so we're gonna put in some engine mounts and transfer the transfer case over and possibly pop the engine in today. So stay tuned for that.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not bad. What's going on?
What are we up to right now?
We're building stuff.
Yeah?
Yeah. I got Ben over here. He's gonna weld in the mounts. Get us going on that. So we'll get all that welded in, get all that done, and then we'll paint it up a little bit later today, and hopefully we'll drop an engine and tranny into it today.
Sweet. Hey, bud.
Hey.
How are you?
Pretty good, how are you?
Yeah, pretty good. This is the first JL you're doing welding on.
Yeah, I'm excited. It definitely looks very different. There's no bed on the back, but all the mounts look the same, so it should go pretty well.
Sweet.
What's inside here?
I'm hoping it's a new motor since we got rid of the last one.
Probably a good idea.
This is 2 4-liters put together. Which way?
Well,
Oh, it looks like an engine.
yep.
That's a start.
There's twice as many spark plugs. No, or there's probably way more than that. So, I'm just gonna run my ass over here. Probably can come moving.
Could you twist it
Oh yeah.
so that I can see where the mounts are? So I'm gonna have to go this way a little bit. How's that look?
That's good. You can start coming down.
Okay, coming out.
How's the bolt on that side, sir?
Yeah, I was just looking at that.
I just recentered mine.
Yeah, this one was all one way.
Okay.
Coming
You
down.
probably can move forward, like side shift towards Bella. Okay. Come down.
Coming up.
Okay, stop for a sec. I have to have you go up a tiny bit just to pop the washer off.
I think you might want to jack the back a bit too.
Just pop it up a tiny bit. Okay.
Just gotta take this up a little bit.
Okay, I'm lined up in the hole, like both sides.
So you hold that thread weld there.
Okay.
I'll probably be able to come down on that.
Okay. So I'll hold
I'm
here.
quite high on my side.
Okay. So I will hold here till like into the holes, and then I'll come over there. A little more. Okay, that's there. Okay, come down. Stop for a sec.
Yep.
Okay, come down.
I see that.
Let me deal with this one first. You can go down. Here, I'll pull up the back, but that's no problem. Here, you just lower it.
Coming down. How was that?
So that was it. Going in. Over here. I see it's in one side. 2, 3,
Big. Catch any right?
4, 5. They're all where they're supposed to be.
Okay, perfect. Just
Okay, so the engine has been successfully placed into the chassis. We'll be back tomorrow to finish hooking the sucker up and hopefully dropping the body sometime soon. So stay tuned for that. Weirdo Rock Dodge. See you guys later.